Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope really good. I'm just taking a little hot chocolate coffee break. So, if you missed out on getting one of these grills, I have something I'm going to do. So I'm going to do a contest. You can win one of these grills. Maybe I'll try to do something else if an idea strikes me, but so I'm going to do a contest for something I'm very passionate about, and that is having a clean woods. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a litter pickup contest. So what's going to be is, if you're for one, be a subscriber, and either produce, if you make a video, it's going to be you're going to make a video response, will be 1 entry, and for every bag of litter that you pick up is also an entry. So if you go out and you do a video and you pick up 4 bags of litter, well, that's 5 entries right there to win one of these cool backpacker grills, or version 2.0. So that's the legs. I've done a video on this already, but you know, this is brand new, hasn't been used. Now, if you don't make videos, I will also accept photographs. All you gotta do is go to MarksGrillContest@gmail.com. I'll put the email down below so you can just copy paste and send me a photo. I want to see a before and after picture. So show me the mess and then show me the bag that you picked up, and that will be an entry. So, and then you can enter as many times as you want. I mean, if you've seen my videos on picking up litter, it actually doesn't take that long to pick up a bag of trash. I mean, I've done it in just, you know, well, it depends how quick you are at picking it up, but I mean, I've picked up a whole bag of garbage in, you know, under 10 minutes. So it's not like it's going to be, you know, a lot of strenuous work. But I feel like it's a good cause, so you know, and everyone will benefit from cleaner woods. So yeah, before and after picture. If you do a video and you can do photographs in the video, or you can just do a video and send me the photographs. But I want to see before and after, because I don't want to just pull the kitchen trash bag out of the kitchen, take a picture of it, and go, oh, here's a bag of litter I picked up. I think it's raining. So that's the thing. I don't think that's too much to ask, honestly. So I'm going to assign a number to everybody for all the entries. I will put a number on it. And then I will do just a random.org number, or a number generator. Just plug all the numbers in. Of course, I'll film it so you guys can see. And I'm going to create a playlist. This will be the first video in the playlist. So everyone will get I'll just link the hell out of I'll just put up links all over the place for the links for this video. The playlist will be in the description so people can go and watch your video. And then when I do the contest, when I draw the number, I'm going to post all the photographs and the videos so you guys can see everyone's hard work, and I'll make sure you get a shout out. So now that it's raining, I'm going to wrap it up and head home because my camera isn't waterproof. So good luck on the contest. I hope to see your videos. I hope to see your pictures, and good luck. And thanks for watching.